Hello mga kalabada! Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Rogelio Tapang here with Laundrypreneur. If this is your first time na makita po ang Laundrypreneur, please like and follow us in Facebook at sa YouTube. You can find us in Laundrypreneur TV. Please subscribe and hit the notification sa button sa YouTube. Okay? So, but anyway, today I'm going to share with you a typical question ng mga gustong pumasok sa laundry business dito sa Pilipinas. And the question is, gaano ba kabilis ang ROI sa laundry business? Okay? So ROI stands for return of investment. So in other words, gaano ba katagal bago mabawi ang puhunan sa laundry business? Let's say for example, if you invest 1 million pesos, gaano kabilis bago ko mabawi yung 1 million pesos na yan kung ako ay mag-invest sa laundry business sa Pilipinas. Alright? And that's what I'm going to answer today. Well, to find out the answer to that question, we have to understand magkano ba ang average profit margin sa negosyong ito. Yung kumbaga yung kita, magkano ba ang kinikita sa negosyong ito? Well, for your information, the average profit margin in the laundry business is between 30% to 50%. Okay, so anong ibig sabihin nun? So ibig sabihin, in 1 month, kung kayo po ay maka 100,000 worth of laundry services, ang profit margin mo dyan is between 30,000 to 50,000 pesos. Alright? So kung i-multiply natin yung 100,000 by 12 months, so in 1 year, meron kang 1.2 million pesos worth of sales at ang iyong potential income is from 30% to 50% of that, which means, lagay na lang natin sa 30%, that would be around 360,000 pesos per year. Tama? Now, if you invested 1 million, so divide mo lang yung 1 million divided by 360,000 pesos per year, and what you'll get is 2.7 years. Yun. So, ganun pala. So, for a minimum margin of 30%, you can expect a return of about 2 to 2.5 to 3 years. Makuha mo na rin ulit yung pinuhunan mong investment dito sa laundry business, worth 1 million in our example. So, basically, that's how you compute for it. And of course, paiba-iba yan, no? Sa simula ng negosyo mo dito, syempre, baka nag-aabono ka pa for the first quarter of your business or the first 3 months. Pero dapat on the 4th, 5th, 6th, medyo nagbe-break even ka na sa operations mo. And after that, nagsisimula na yung profitability mo. Kaya nga lagi ko sinasabi, ang ROI period dito on the average should be between 2.5 to 3 years. Yan po yung more or less na pwede mong asahan. Well, the good news is, maikli pa rin po yan compared to other businesses with even larger capital investment requirements, no? Kaya nga po ako po ay isa sa mga nagpo-promote na magandang i-consider ang laundry business sa Pilipinas if you're thinking of getting into a business. Okay? So with that, I hope na answer po yung question na yon, gaano katagal, gaano kabilis ang ROI period dito sa laundry business sa Pilipinas. If you have other questions, please feel free to comment and I will be happy to answer your questions either via reply sa comment nyo or gagawa din po ako ng video to answer your questions. So with that, maraming salamat po muli for listening, and please don't forget to like and follow us in Facebook, Laundrypreneur, and in YouTube, Laundrypreneur TV. At your service, Kalabada.